The good evening to one and all. Today we are discussing about a waterfall method in software development. The introduction. The waterfall method is a linear and sequential approach to software development with the distinct phases of requirements, the design and implementation, the testing and maintenance. This method is ideal for project with well-defined requirement and low uncertainty. The requirement gathering. In this phase, the stakeholders collaborate to define the system requirements. The goal is to create a comprehensive document that outlines the functionality and constraint of the system. The design phase involves the creating detailed system specification based on the requirements. It includes architectural design, interface design, and database design. The implementation. During the implementation phase, the system is built based on the detailed design specifications. This phase requires coding, integration, and unit testing. Testing phase. The testing phase involves system testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing to ensure the system to meet the specified requirements. The maintenance. The phase that includes the bug fixes, the updates, and enhancement to ensure the system continues to meet the need of the user. The advantage and disadvantages. The waterfall method offers the clear documentation and structure approach, but it may lead the lengthy development cycles and limited flexibility for changing requirements. Next one is adaptability. In today's dynamic environment, the waterfall method may be less suitable for projects with evolving the requirements and rapid changes. The agile methodology offers a more adaptive approach to software development. The waterfall model, the conclusion, this method provides the structural framework for software development, but its suitability depends on the nature of the project and stability of the requirements. The understanding its principles is crucial for making the informed decision in software development. Thank you.